All right, we're back again with the Quest 3 and the BOBOVR M3 Pro. And just when we thought it couldn't get any better, BOBOVR decides to come out with the S3 Pro. So let's get this unboxed, installed, and check it out.
So here we're unboxing the BOBOVR S3 Pro. Got my unboxing knife. Gonna upgrade this soon. And flip it open, and we have some BOBOVR tissue paper and some stuff that identifies everything that comes in the box and some installation instructions. Removing the tissue paper, we see the S3 Pro. Gonna pull it out. And now we have the honeycomb pad. Gives you a little bit extra grip in the back, and install that if you wish. And we have the B100 battery pack. Here's the charge cable. Comes with it. Some instructions for the battery pack, and now the 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack, which is an upgrade over the M3 Pro. Now I'm gonna just unfold it, and it's all the way to its smallest position. I don't know if anybody's head is actually that small. There's the top of it. You see the pins for the battery pack and the ratchet in the back. Now we're gonna install it. So I'm gonna take the Apple Vision Pro polishing cloth, place the MetaQuest 3 down. Now you want to pull these arms down a little bit, otherwise the forehead pad structure will get in the way of you trying to install it. Now just from the top, you want to line it up so that you push the S3 Pro onto the MetaQuest 3, so you can do them both at the same time. It's a little fiddly, but you can get it. It takes a little bit of pressure, and you just kind of grab from the bottom and you push straight down. Takes a little bit of force, and then you have it on. And you can plug in the power cable. Now you're gonna want to unfold it, and there you have it. You put the battery on the magnets and the pins, and you have it installed. Now we're gonna talk about some of the features.
All right, so here it is in all its glory, and what's really nice about this is it's specifically designed for the Quest 3. So it's gonna level up that VR experience even more, especially for fitness and extended game sessions.
Yeah, speaking of that, it has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery this time. It's 1.3 times more battery life. It also supports 20-watt charging, so you know the charging is gonna be good as far as the speed, yeah. And it also has a built-in fan with 100 steps of adjustment, so you can really fine tune the fan on this.
And I'm excited because I use it a lot for working out.
Right.
And I get hot, so I'm gonna see how that goes.
Yeah.
Now it also has silent technology, so we're gonna test this out, but they say it's not gonna be like super noisy, which is nice.
Right.
You don't want a loud fan while you're trying to game. That's gonna take you out of the immersion. And there's also controls on the side. So you have a button here, and then that's where you can dial in that fan speed. Like Damien said, it's a 100 level adjustment, which is really nice. And this display will show you your fan speed as you're using that. But as you can see, it has a percentage. So it also gives you the percentage of how much battery you have left on the battery pack. So you'll know at any time how much more battery you got.
Yeah, and it also has an upgraded design for comfort. So yeah. I kind of felt around. It feels like the padding, like across the forehead.
It feels a little bit more.
It feels a little bit more.
Yeah.
And the structure in the back that rests on the back of your head, that's all been redesigned. It feels like it cradles your head a lot nicer. The way it fits on, I didn't think it could get any better than the M3 Pro, but this is definitely better. And it has an adjustable bracket at the top for the forehead, so you can get the dialed in just for your head shape.
You can also adjust these top supports, which are
right, they can come off.
And they can come off, but you can also adjust them. So yeah. I know some people are kind of like, didn't really like them or whatever, but so you can take them off. And also build quality. So one thing I was looking at is so the M3 Pro, I noticed it was a little, I don't want to say flimsy, but doing this sometimes felt like a little, like it was gonna break or something. So right off the bat, like I tried this, and this, it seems a little more robust. And just overall, like the material seems like a little bit better. The dial in the back here, like it's even rubberized. So I know when I'm working out, I'm sweaty, like I got the controllers in my hand, like I feel like I'll be able to get that a little bit better. So they definitely upgraded the design for comfort and overall build quality.
Yeah, and like functionality. So unfortunately, these are still kind of hard to get. On Amazon, they're sold out, but you can pre-order on BOBOVR's website, and it's $89.99, but it says it's going to take like 2 to 4 weeks to ship out. So, you know, that's a little bit unfortunate, but it's definitely worth it. When the pre-order comes up, if you want the ultimate comfort for your MetaQuest 3, you're definitely going to want this BOBO S3 Pro.
Especially if you want these upgraded features with the fan and the digital display. Yeah. So with all that being said, let's get this off this headset, put it on our real heads, and test it out. All right, now as I mentioned, one of the things I'm most excited about is to test out this fan, because as I said, I use the Quest 3 a lot to work out with the Supernatural app. So first off, I'm gonna try to turn on this fan. So right here you have a button, turn that on. Okay, so I hear the fan. It starts off at 50%. It is audible. Let's see what it sounds like at 100%. Okay. I don't know about the silent technology, but I'm gonna try it at 100. I'm gonna start working out and see how much of a difference it is, because I get pretty hot. Sometimes the lenses get fogged up, so I wanna see how that's gonna work out. All right, and this is the first time I'm putting this on, and I can honestly already tell you, it does feel, it's crazy. I didn't think it could get any comfortabler, and it's actually more comfortable. Like, I feel like it cradles your head much better, actually. And I do love this rubber dial, so A for that. But the fan is loud at 100%, not even gonna lie. All right, let's get this workout going. Okay, so I just got done working out. As you can see, I am sweaty, right? Okay, so you're still gonna get sweaty. But what I definitely was able to tell, let me turn off this fan. The fan is a little loud, but if you got music cranking, you're working out, you're not really focusing on it. I definitely feel like my face didn't get as hot. Also, again, I get hot, so like the lenses start fogging up. I didn't get any fogging. Also, this stays on my head a lot better. So when I'm working out, I start getting sweaty, right? And then it'll start like slipping up my head. I didn't experience that at all. It stayed for, you know, on my head, didn't move, so I didn't have to like adjust it mid-workout. So for working out, I'm definitely liking it. And it's crazy that it is actually more comfortable. So off to you, Damien.
All right, Michelle just got finished working out for about half an hour in Supernatural, so I'm going to see where the battery level is. And we're still at 100%. So it looks like the 10,000 milliamp hour battery is keeping up with the demands of the MetaQuest 3. So I'm gonna hop in and do some Beat Saber. It's feeling comfortable. It's like Michelle mentioned, I didn't think it could get more comfortable, but it looks like it did. So that is great. Beat Saber. See where my song is. All right, I'm about to do it. So definitely the BOBOVR S3 Pro is more comfortable. The inclusion of the fan, while not silent, I can still hear it. Definitely helps when you're in that intense sessions. I don't know why I'm doing Beat Saber in a sweater, but there it is. And yeah, definitely the comfort level, like once I'm in there, is even, I didn't think they could top the M3 Pro, but it's more comfortable. So definitely get on the pre-order for these guys, like 2 to 4 weeks out. That's definitely gonna up your level of comfort when using the MetaQuest 3. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family about this channel so we can keep on bringing more content like this. Until the next one, see you guys.
Bye.
Bye. All right, one more time.